Okay. So, good day everyone. I am Dr. Maria Arlene Malabanan Berania. I am a college professor at the Universidad de Manila, Manila, Philippines for 25 years already. And having the privilege of nurturing young minds and guiding them through their academic and personal growth is both an honor and a deeply enriching endeavor for me. So I consider teaching as my passion. That's why I aspire to continue to enhance my professional growth in the field of education. And about my pitch, I presented early July of this year was about the challenges in the implementation of the school-based management basis for a compliance framework. This paper aims to determine the challenges encountered by the level 1 or developing schools in the district schools division of Bulacan, Philippines. Based on the findings, it was concluded that the actual performance of the school was way below than the expected standard of advanced level of school-based management. Thus, there are few recommendations written on the papers like in asking for the or requiring for the school management, for the teachers and the school heads to attend to training, which will help them to improve their manner of teaching, and also periodic monitoring of the school performances and active engagement in the community, active engagement of the school. My motivation, okay. The COVID-19 pandemic restricted everything. They posed the challenges to all of us, disrupting routines and instilling a sense of uncertainty. However, within these trying times, I've discovered that I am one of the fortunate ones to engage in fruitful pursuits like carrying out a research paper, defying the limitation imposed by the restrictions, and being able to present oneself. Sorry. Uh, Despite these challenges faced, technology emerged as an invaluable ally, enabling access to unlimited resources, staying connected with people in different places, which broaden one's perspective. Thus, my motivation, okay, in this is my desire to make a difference in these challenging times, which propelled me to push beyond the continued constraints imposed by the pandemic. Nevertheless, my family will always be my greatest inspiration that motivates me to transform challenges into triumphs. With them with me, a deep sense of fulfillment and satisfaction will always be at hand. Yes, COVID-19 is not just a socio-economic crisis, but direct havoc in everyone's life. But um, the pandemic may be presented difficulties resulting to radical changes around the globe, but numerous advancements was surfaced which unveiled multitude of benefits. And for me, okay, none can rival the significance of virtual conference. Having been able to attend to online conference is something to be thankful. Being able to present oneself to online conference during the pandemic can be considered a golden gift to our generations. We cannot deny the fact that this virtual conference, online learning modality, and many others have opened up a world of opportunities for everyone interested, transcending physical boundaries and revolutionizing the way we connect, learn, and interact and communicate. So for me, being able to attend to an online conference is something to be thankful. Okay, there are individuals or groups who previously faced barriers to attendance, such as limited mobility, financial constraints, of course, restrictions if you are going outside the country. Okay, can now actively engage and contribute to the discourse from the comfort of our homes or our offices, which we can participate in global conferences, engage with experts or with peers from various fields, and access wealth and knowledge of knowledge and insight. So we may have endured the challenges during the pandemic, but let us acknowledge the silver linings that have engaged. That is the ability to attend online conferences has undoubtedly been one of them. It has bridged gaps, expanded our horizon, and empowered everyone who are eager to continue learning, connecting, growing in the face of adversities. Definitely, I would encourage my friends and my colleagues to attend to online conference because it is a gateway to many positive outcomes. It also aids in enhancement of personal and professional growth, and it broadens our perspective and help us to continue learning, um, connecting and collaborating, and of course, exchanging ideas and insights, all at the comfort of our own spaces. That is why I would highly recommend online conference. But I am not closing my doors to physical conference. Of course, it has a different perspective and wonderful benefits and experience to offer and enjoy. And we can also learn different or new things from physical conferences. That's why if given the opportunity, I will also go for physical conference. A positive feedback of the conference. Okay, for being a part of this conference, I cannot help but feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for granting me this privilege of sharing my insights and experience about this convention. Though it may still be short, I have only joined last conference. I have enjoyed the support of members, especially Dr. Flora Charles, who is always ready to answer my queries. And for the members, ensuring that each participant felt supported and valued throughout the conference. This conference has taught me new insights and have helped me open up to new learnings which focus on nurturing and empowering the next generation. I would also like to commend the committee for giving us participants the option of online and on-site conference, which is a big factor to consider in attending the upcoming conferences for future members to participate. That's all.